Dreamy Days.
Hey friends! Today we are drawing a camera cheese. So, let's get started. First, I will start by drawing the body of the camera. Friends, come on, draw with me and enjoy! Now, I will draw the button of our camera to click the photo. To click a good photo, we need a good lens. So, now I will draw a big lens on the camera. At last, I am drawing a flashlight of the camera. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. Yellow. Red. Violet. Gray. Pink. Red. And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.